name is Stephanie, and today we're gonna open a L.O.L box and a L.O.L toy.
So mine is L.O.L Swag Family, and this is L.O.L Surprise. 10 surprises inside.
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, this one is L.O.L Swag Family. Let's open it. So it shows the L.O.L Swag Family right there. The mom, the sister, the brother, the baby, and the dog or the mouse, whatever that is. And I can see some things right here if you zoom in closely. So let's open it. So let's see what's inside.
Wow.
So this is the brother, the sister, and the baby, and the animal. So we got two for Stephanie and two for me. I'm gonna open this one first. Which one are you gonna open?
Baby.
Let's start opening.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Longer.
Oh, it has the code. Okay. It has friends. Okay, yours has the same thing. Okay, let's put it here for the cutest family to see.
Look at the baby's photo.
Okay, this is the one. Okay, now let's open the other zipper. Where's the zipper? Oh, I found it.
Let's unwrap it and then.
Okay. I'm so excited to see the sister.
I'm so excited to see the baby.
Oh. Okay. So we got. Okay. So I got the emojis. So if she spits, it shows an emoji like that. If she color changes, it shows an emoji with color change. If she cries, it shows an emoji with crying. Okay. Okay. Now let's open the next one. And I can see the two surprises. Okay, I got to the surprises. Have you finished?
Nope.
Okay, let me you gotta find the zipper. There. Now let's open it together.
1, 2, wait.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, there's 2 surprises. I'm gonna check the bottom.
Wait, there's one up top. There's a surprise here. Not yet.
A baby bottle.
Okay,
A baby bottle.
I'm gonna check mine. Whoa, I got the same bottle.
What is this?
Oh, that's the collar to put it on the ball, where you can take it anywhere you want.
First, I'm gonna open this one. I don't know which one, but
Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
let me see.
It's a hat. That is so cute. I got the same hat, and it says baby, and this one says big girl.
Now I'm gonna open this one. Let me. It's a cute little baby.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one. This one looks really big, so I'm gonna open it. Whoa, it's the big sister. They look just alike. But she has pink hair. I think the baby color changes.
So now we're gonna open open the brother?
No, because I still have 2 more, Stephanie. So, ooh, I got the 2 shoes.
There you go then.
Okay, and the final round is her dress. It is so cute.
It's so cute.
Okay. I'm gonna show you how to connect it, Goda, now. So Stephanie. Put these 2 here, and now we're gonna open the second one. I'm so excited. Are you?
Yes.
Okay, where's the zipper? Okay. This one is a boy, so I'm excited because I never opened an L.O.L boy before. So I'm super excited. Ooh, I found the code. It's question mark up and puppy. That's Instagram. So we got the same thing as last time. Same thing as last time.
Same thing as it. Now I'm gonna try this one.
2 surprises already came out.
Okay.
Oh, you almost lost the code. It's a game and ice.
Okay. First I'm gonna open this one. That'd be super good.
Let me open this one. Oh, that was fun.
I found an earring.
That's a necklace for the pets. Okay, I'm gonna open this tiny one.
Glass. It's a little glass.
I got a necklace like her. That is so cute. Oh, that's a scooper. It's a scoop.
Oh no. Nice.
I'm gonna open this one too.
It's
The pet. It's so cute and squishy.
and then
I got the boy.
and then we can put it like this. And
Okay, I still have some more. Oh, I got the glasses. I got glasses like her. See, what else do I got? Ooh, I got the clothes.
ooh, dang.
That's cool. And this is not the last one, but I got the bottle. It's so cute.
They have the same
And
bow.
the last one. Okay, I think there's the shoes. Yep, the shoes. These are smaller.
And they look like their sister.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna plug this in.
And there's more.
Oh, guys, so there's another thing in here. It's the mom.
So Eleni's gonna open the mom, and I'm gonna look at her.
Okay, so first thing we got the map, the family.
We gotta put it right here.
Okay, this is how it looks in the back. Her hair is so pretty.
And now let's start opening her.
I'm gonna start opening it.
Ooh, her face is beautiful.
Yeah. It's the OMG doll mom. I'm gonna open this one. This one looks cute. It says it's a bag. Okay, it's cute.
Let's see which bag. It's a money bag.
Wow, that is so cool. It's a backpack. Actually, it's a backpack. It is so cool. Okay,
Now let's open the.
now I'm gonna open this one. Ooh, it's a hanger. It's probably the clothes.
It's a clothes.
It's the pants. I really like the pants. They're cute. So I'm gonna open all of them and put them there, where I can start opening them and looking at them. Okay. Oh, this is so hard to open. This is all that it brings. So I'm gonna hang her up first. I think this is how she.
Let's see how she needs to hang out. First,
Let's open the bags.
First, let's open her shirt. Her shirt.
You don't know if this shirt. It's her sweater. It's so cute.
I I want to open it.
I'm gonna take. So we already put the clothes on, and we got the mom, we got the sister,
We got the brother, we got the hamster, and we got the
baby, and this is everything that it brings: her backpack, her closet, the bottles, her glasses, the mom's glasses, the scooper for the pets to eat. This is the bottles for the sisters and brothers. And these are the balls that it brings for these family. This is the big thing that it brings for this girl. And this brush to brush her hair. And this is everything that was inside here. And now we're gonna open 10 surprise for my little sister. See you in the next video. Bye! So this is the 10 surprise for my little sister. And right up here it says work hard, play hard, be 8. Let's start opening it. Ooh, it's gonna look cool. Ooh.
I'm gonna put one with.
Ooh! Did you know that it brings
a
room? Because it brings like a car. Oh, just put it there. Look, it brings a room.
So it brings the whole room. It's so beautiful. It has everything that we always start and play.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna put this separated. It's gonna be separated because I want to separate it.
Oh, that one feels heavy.
Cause it is.
I think it's her room. I think it's her makeup palette.
Okay. Now I'm gonna count it. What's the whole thing that we just had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
So I'm gonna give my sister because she's gonna help me too to put the room. I'm gonna give her the big one, and I got the small one.
Okay, so Stephanie, let's put the room right here.
So at first, I'm gonna try.
Let's see what you got.
Aw.
A lamp. That is so cute.
Now
You got her clothes. Because it brings a doll. It's the doll. Look at her. It's
a computer.
wow.
To pay money?
It's a computer, Stephanie.
Oh,
Ooh,
it's a
her
bottle. Now let's.
Ooh, it's her shoe. What? You forgot the shoe.
Let's see the fine more.
Ooh, her glasses. Ooh.
It's a closing.
No, it says queen and a boss. Queen and boss.
The final round is.
What is it, Stephanie? It's a girl.
One more.
Let's see. Okay, now we're gonna open these two. This one's for me and this one's for Stephanie. Oh, this one feels heavy and big. What the?
I think.
What is it?
I think it's her head.
No, it's her chair.
It's so big and so.
Okay, now I'm gonna check what this is. Okay. It's her desk. And you could open it. Let's see if it has something in it.
Nope.
Nope. Wait, I think it has something here.
Funny.
Okay, now we're gonna put it right here. I wanted it. So first we're gonna put it all of these here.
So this is all that it brings. You have to change her, Stephanie. Okay, her lamp, her boss, and you have to put her boss thing right here. Because she's the boss.
surprise. It's cute, but let me put her in her laptop. Her flowers fell. Okay, open her laptop. And if she wants to open her laptop, so we can put it all together, but it's beautiful. But look at the sides, it's beautiful, and she's sitting there.
And you could also put it like a box to put it away, like this.
To hide it.
Yes, to hide it from someone when someone's trying to take it from you.
So now, see you in the next video. And tomorrow we're gonna open our toys and subscribe the next video. But watch it 1,000 years. But see you next video.
Well, see you next video when we play with our toys.
And then the next Fun Friday we're gonna open another toy. And see you next video. Bye.
Bye!